Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the video. Here we are. Now let's move to the center to this button. When we tap on it, we can get access to some more video options. Here let's pick this button from the right and we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the video settings, and here we have the video stabilization option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on like that as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.